Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to start lesson 7 of English grammar class 5. So open your books at page 25. The lesson is about sentences. In the picture you can see two people are talking to each other. Boy is asking for the candies. He's saying how much is the bag of the candies for. Actually he inquires the price of the candies and the man says the bag is for £1. Whenever we write the actual words of a speaker, it is called direct speech and we always represent them in inverted commas. Now come to the text. I'm going to show you that the example can also be written in another form by using the inverted commas. The boy asked the shopkeeper, how much is the bag of candies for? The shopkeeper replied, the bag is for £1. We put the actual words spoken by the person in inverted commas. Inverted commas are also known as speech marks. Whenever we represent the speech of a person, we represent them in inverted commas. Like we can put at the beginning of the sentence and at the end of the sentence. These are called speech marks or inverted commas. So come to the exercise. We will start doing it like this. You can do it on your books. We have to underline the spoken words in the sentences. I must leave now or I will get late, said Silky. So I have underlined it for you and you can see that all the portion of the sentence which is enclosed in the inverted commas, this is spoken words. And again to the second sentence, the gardener said, the grass is too wet, I shall cut it tomorrow. Again, inverted commas, we have underlined all the portion. I am playing the role of the princess in the play, Sheena told her mother. And again, we have to look at the inverted commas and from where it is starting and from where they are going to enclose. So it is all spoken words. Mr. Benson said, I need to go to the doctor immediately. Again, underlined portion is spoken words. Could you please help me finish the work? This is spoken part of the sentence. Come to next page. Here again they have given us an example and you can read it yourself and we have to tell one thing, that inverted commas are placed around the spoken words. We have already done this thing. A new line is used whenever a different speaker speaks. Whenever two persons are talking and when the speaker changes, when we are writing something, we insert a line, we skip a line there. Practice. Put inverted commas around the spoken words in the following sentences in your notebook. We can do it on the book. First one, please help me lift this box. Toby said to his friend. I have inserted these speech marks here from the beginning of the speech and the end of the speech. In the second statement, his mother said to him, inverted commas are starting here, you must pack your bag before you go to bed. Now speech is complete. We are going to put the speech marks here. Sheena left her lunchbox in the school yesterday. Please help her find it. Speech has come to an end, so we have put inverted commas here and at the start of the sentence. I want to become the pilot when I grow up. Speech has come to an end, so we have inserted commas here and at the beginning of the speech. I love to listen to animal stories, said Jim. So again we have started the speech with commas and we have ended with the inverted comma. Okay, come to practice B. The question is given below is a dialogue. Copy it in your notebook. Put inverted commas around the spoken words and also use a new line when the speaker changes. So I have already done it and you have to copy it in your notebooks. Start writing like this. Come on, man. Cut a post from the trunk that the giant brought home. Speech has come to an end, so we are going to insert the speech marks here and at the beginning of the sentence. Ulysses to his men. Now, speaker is changing. Now we are going to skip one line. Come to next line. Again, another person is speaking, so we are going to insert the inverted commas at the beginning and end of the speech. What do we do with it, sir? Asked one of the men. Again skip the line because the speaker is changing. Cut it and make it smooth so that it doesn't hurt our hands. We shall use it to ram it in heart to break open the door. Again the speech has come to end, said Ulysses. Come to next page. But it will be very difficult to ram it. Again the speech has come to an end. We are going to insert the marks over here and at the beginning of the speech, said the second man. Again the speaker is changing. We are going to skip the line. Again speech is changed. It is going to start. So we are going to insert the marks at the beginning of the speech. We must do it or we are all dead. The wicked giant will eat us all up. Speech marks are going to end. Ulysses explained to his men. So this practice is done, and the next one is extended exercise, and you have to do it in your copies and learn this lesson again and again. So lesson is done. Thank you so much.